It's my,
Why are you popping up?
We're here in this ravine, walking through the river. Clearly not natural. This place sucks.
Where does that go? Why is it dark? What's up there?
Now,
You want to go up
these
there?
look tasty, but you probably shouldn't use them. We're out here in the jungle of Kankakee. Now the roots have a symbiotic relationship with the river. I don't know what I'm saying. Now these rocks are interesting. This rock is probably 10 million years old based on local estimates. You see we have the texture here that gives away its age. These would have been here in prehistoric time. Right here we have the common psychedelic mushroom. Grows commonly in the jungle of Kankakee. So what you do is chop it up into slices and eat it. I'm gonna take you through that right now.
Don't touch it.
Look at that, it jiggles. That's really funny. This is an alien brain I'm holding here. Now, they usually shed their brains in these jungles when they reach around 12 years old, and they grow in the adult brain shortly soon after. They get in the cocoon, and it's a whole metamorphosis. Really rare find we got here.
Speaks.
I don't know what this is.
Evan speaks, not Evan eats.
Yeah,
Speaks and eats. We're changing it. Go.
I'm not gonna bite it.
Bite.
You need to pay me to bite this.
I'll pay you $3.
I'll pay you $2.
It's a total of
Hey,
$5.
look,
No,
the
not
fruit,
total.
It is $3.
That's my offer.
it's believed to repel insects and spiders.
Ew! He's actually biting it.
It's sweet, kind of.
You're an idiot.
Is it good?
It's a little bit sweet.
Like sweet like what? Like apple sweet or not as sweet as an apple?
Sort of like an apple, different kind of flavor. It's like a mushy texture.
I want to try it.
A little milky almost.
Yeah, no, never mind.
Okay.
Here, try some.
I don't want it.
I would say 3 out of 10.
It is kind of milky.
No, I'm not doing it again. I took a big bite out of this.
What's your initial reaction?
Not as bad as I thought.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like, it tastes milky, like sweet milk.
It was like a Swedish sort of vegetable-y, milky taste with like bitter aftertaste stuck in the throat.
All right.
Mushy, wet texture. Yeah, you can see the bite mark right here.
They're called Osage trees. Osage oranges.
Would not do it again, but not the worst experience we've ever had.
The back of my